Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Here, I'm Mr. Jovita. Now, our subject today is healthcare and the environment. Healthcare and the environment. But we are going to learn about food and group C of food. As you remember, we were discussing about food. We say food is anything that we eat or drink and does not harm us. Anything we eat or drink and does not harm us, we call it food. Now, let us discuss about the groups of food. According to our level, we have only 4 groups of food. One, we have carbohydrates. We say carbohydrates or energy-giving food. Another, we have protein. Proteins, or we say body-building food. Another, we have vitamins or protective food. The last one, we have fats or oil, or in another way we say lipids. That is heat and energy-giving food. So those are groups of food. Now let us see. We say there are 4 groups of food. One, who can tell me? One, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Another name of carbohydrates we say is energy-giving food. Energy-giving food. Another group is proteins. Protein, or we say is body-building food. Body-building food. Another group number 3, we have vitamins. Vitamins, or we say protective food. This is protective food. And the last one, we have fats or oil. In another name of fats and oil, we call it lipids. We can say lipids. These fats and oil or lipids, we call it energy and heat-giving food. So those one in the brackets are functions of those groups of food. We say carbohydrates. When we say carbohydrates, means energy-giving food. And then when we say proteins, are body-building food. Vitamins are protective food. Fats or oil, or in another name we say lipids, is energy and heat-giving food. The difference between carbohydrates and the fats and oil, carbohydrates is energy-giving food only, but fats and oil is energy and heat-giving food. So sometimes it can give us energy and at the same time give us heat. Now let us discuss one by another. Let's start with the carbohydrates groups of food. Carbohydrates. Now, learners, as we said, carbohydrates, this is energy-giving food. is energy-giving food. So we are talking about the food we eat. When we eat those food, we get carbohydrates or we get energy. And that energy, it helps us to do different work. It can help us to do work. It can help us to jump. It gives us the energy to play. It gives us the energy to do any activities as you are home, you are assisting your parents. That's the energy you are using. It is because you are eating some food which contains carbohydrates. Now, let us look the food rich in carbohydrates, or the food we eat, and then when we receive that food, we get carbohydrates. We say carbohydrates, sorry. We say carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. And we say it gives us energy to want to play, give us energy to work, it gives us energy to work, to dance, and another one. Now, the food we get, or the food rich in carbohydrates, are the food rich in carbohydrates are, my dear learners, who can mention for me the food you know which is rich in carbohydrates? Who? Now let us mention. One we can say maize. Another, we have banana, but we say raw banana. A banana which is green in color. We have soda. We have millet. We have potatoes. We have yam. We have cassava. So those are examples of food which is rich in carbohydrate. That the food when you eat, you get carbohydrates, or you have carbohydrates on your body. That is some example, but we have many. Now let us look another groups of food. Another groups of food which is proteins. Proteins. Now we say proteins are body building food. Body building food. They build us and repair our body. It repair our body, repair our muscle. That's why we say it is a body building food. So we say proteins are body building food. Are body building food. They build and repair our body muscles. We say protein, they build and repair our body muscles. That's why said proteins are a bodybuilding food. That's why you can see your skin are clean and neat because you are getting much food which contains proteins. Now let us look the food which is rich in proteins. The food you can eat and then you get proteins. Who can mention for me? Hope you know and you are taking every day at your home. Now tell me the food which is rich in carbohydrates. But before we proceed, we have two groups of protein. We have plant proteins and animal protein. Means we have the food of proteins we get from plants and another we get from animals. As you remember, we learned sources of food. We said we have two groups of sources of food, plants and animals. So now let us look the groups of food we get from animals. We say there are two groups of proteins food. One is animal proteins, and another is plant proteins. Now, let us look animal proteins. Animal proteins food. We have many food which contains proteins which come from animals. One, we have milk. We can get pork. We can get meat. We have egg. We have chicken. We have mutton. Chicken, we have mutton. Those are examples of food we get from animals which contains proteins. Another are fish. We have turtle. We have grasshopper. We have octopus. We have beef. Those are food which is rich in proteins. Now let us write another. I know you need more examples. Let us add another. We say we have beef. Then we have grasshopper. Then we have octopus, prawns. We have prawns. All of those are food we get from animals which is rich in proteins. Now let us look plant proteins. Plant proteins. Who can mention the food we get from plants which is rich in proteins? One, we have beans. I know all of you know beans and you always eat beans. Another is lentils. We have lentils. We have soya. Do you know soya? We have groundnuts. We have peas. Peas. So those are food we get from plants. In peas we have a chickpeas and the green peas. Those are food we get from plants, which is rich in protein. Now let us continue with another group. Another group is fats and oil. Fats and oil, or we say lipids, or in another we say image-giving food. Fats and oil, or we say lipids. This we say this is image and heat-giving food. Now, let us look examples of the food which is rich in fats. One, we have avocado. We have groundnuts. We have coconuts. We have sunflower oil. We have butter. Those are examples of the food which is rich in fats and oil. Now let us look at the next group, which is vitamins. Vitamins, we say this is protective food. This is protective food. It protects us from disease. And when we are talking about vitamins, we are talking more about vegetables and fruits. We are talking about vegetables and fruits. It's a food which protects us from different diseases. Example of disease, we have malaria, corona, typhoid, and another disease. Examples now, let us look at examples of the food which is rich in vitamins. We can say it is vitamins or minerals. Vitamins and minerals. So, now examples of food which is rich in vitamins or minerals are, we have cabbage, we have orange, we have mangoes, we have avocado, we have watermelon, we have cocoa, we have carrot, pineapple, we have pineapple, and so on. So those are examples of the food which is rich in vitamins. So class, for today let us end here. We will meet next time. Bye bye.